12 proof of concept farms have been part of the Arwain DGC project over the last 18 months, trialling various technologies, innovative ideas or general best practice techniques with the aim to improve animal health and reduce the need to use antimicrobials.
Hi, I'm Tom Pletcher, and as part of the Arwain DGC project we've been looking at lameness in the dairy herd. We've installed an automatic footbath by hoof count, which is located in the exit race of the milking parlour, which means the cows are footbathed twice daily. Since using the footbath, the incidence of digital dermatitis has reduced from 7% of the herd being infected to 0.9. This has resulted in a great health and welfare improvements along with economic benefits, as we've seen a saving of around £14,000 due to decreased costs associated with lameness incidents. Antibiotic usage is also reduced by 19%. It has also had many other uses in terms of labour savings, as we don't have to manually fill the footbath twice a day, and it means we don't have to handle the chemicals going into the footbath.
Hi, I'm Bleddyn Davies. I farm at Blaenglow and Fawr Tregarreg in partnership with my parents. We are one of the 12 proof of concept farms for Arwain DGC project. Although we're already low users of antibiotics, we felt that there was still room for improvement, especially in our bought-in dairy cross calves. We buy in about 80 to 100 calves a year to rear on to sell at stores. Historically, we've been buying from several farms at markets. We decided last year to buy from one source to improve the farm's biosecurity, and health-wise, it's had a very big effect. We've also been trialling the well calf ear tag system from SmartBell. The tags continuously monitor the temperatures and activity of each calf, and I'm alerted to any anomalies through the app on my phone. The system can pick up potential illnesses up to 3 days before any visual signs appear, enabling disease or infections to be caught early. An assessment can then be made and treatment given as necessary, helping with reducing the need for any antibiotic usage. This change in calf buying policy, coupled with using novel technology, has resulted in healthier calves, and our antibiotic usage has been reduced by almost half, from 13.2 milligrams per kilo in 2021 to 7.6 milligrams per kilo in 2022.